Hello, my name is Fabian Valderrama. Travel itinerary chart 7 view. Introduction on the place. The place to visit is called Saban View, located in kilometer 5 Zuluaga Highway. It is and far with main animals and virus or trees. You can enjoy nature, landscape, fresh water, rest and food. Duration on the tree will last there and 2 nights. The first day you can ride a horse on the far. There will be a tour in you don't know with me hand you and finally he will explain the cabins and days for camping. For the second day, cross are visit only an animal and bird they history harm or injure nature. And on the third day, they go day in the natural point. Go to park and must not return later because you have to travel. Means on transportation. For transport you can use the motorcycle or car. Activity to do. The tourists you can ride and hard between the crown and animal enjoying the nature swimming on the other. Place to stay. The place to stay during the trip is kind days for camping and hotel. Tropical food. The tropical food can be consumed during the days on stay is the fish, vegetable, pork, and chicken. The typical drink in this place is the dessert, coffee, and tea. Cost it has a value per person on 400,000 pesos, includes lodging, food, and activities. Thank you.